Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our online class. In the last video, discuss exercise 6.2 nana up to sixth problem or fifth problem. Okay. Now sixth problem. A school collected rupees 2,600 as fee from the students if he paid the school by each student and the number of students in school were equal. How many students were there in the school? He asking. Okay. Now, see beta, అందులో ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో అంత ఫీ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తారట నాన్న. ఎంతమంది ఫీ పే చేశారో. సో let the number of, see beta, first you take, let the number of students in a school be x అనుకుందాం. Okay. Students x అనుకుందాం నాన్న. So according to the problem ఏంటంటే they paid they had each paid rupees also x only. So then the total fee paid by the student is x into x square. Now write down beta. Now let the number of students, which problem is there? Sixth problem. Let the number of students in the school be x. Okay beta. So according to the problem, they each had paid rupees, how many beta? They are also x only. Okay. School lo enta mandi unnaro anta amount valu okkokoro anta amount pay chestunnanu anna. So both are x only. So then the total fee paid by the students is what? That is x square. That is x into x square. So the total amount is how much? Already given how much? That is 2,601 rupees. So both are equal now. So x square is equal to how much? 2,601. Then x equal to how much? The square should be converted into root. So x is equal under root 2,601. So x is equal to how much? We get only one, that is 51 ones are. 1 ones are 1, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. That is 1 0 6 2 0 6 1. That is 51 into 51. So x is equal to how much? 51 square root cancel, you get 51. So here total number of students how many beta? There are 51 members students. So therefore total number of students are 51. Okay, very easy. Now next problem, seventh one. Now seventh problem, na? See, the product of two numbers. See beta, first number A, second number B. The product of two numbers is equal to how much given beta? That is 1,296 given. If one number is 16 times the other number, so first number let it be x. So second number what na? 16 times of first number, that is 16x. So x into 16x, 16x square, you get 1296. From this you get x value. Okay beta. See, now solve this. Do with me only nana. Write down product of two numbers. How much beta? 1296. Let the first number is x, then second number is 16x beta, 16 times of 16x. So 60 x into 16x is equal to how much? 1296. That is x into 16x. 16x square is equal 1296. Then x square is equal to how much beta? 1296 by 16. Cut it beta. 16 ones are 16. 16 eights are 128. Now again 16 ones are 16. So x square is equal 81. X is equal under root 81 beta. Okay. Now x is equal. In which table 81 comes? 9 nines are. Okay. You get x is equal one single 9. So what are you asking? Find the two numbers. So the first number is how much beta? 9. Therefore the first number is x, that is 9. Second number, that is 16 into 9. How much beta that is? 16 into 9, that is 144. These are the two numbers. The first number is 9. Second number is 144. See beta, product of two numbers is how much given? That is 1296 given. What is given here? If one of the number is 16 times the other. So the first number is x. Then second number 16 times. So 16 into x. Now the product of two numbers now. So first number into second number. First number into second number is equal the product, that is 1296. Now x into 16x. 16x square is equal 1296. Then x square is equal how much beta? This multiplication 16 becomes division. Okay. 1296 by 16. 16 8s are 128. We get 1 as a remainder. 1 6 16. Again 16 1 are 16. So x square is equal 16. Then x equal to how much beta? 9. X nothing but what? That is the first number. Now second number is 16 into 9. That is 144. Okay, now say beta, 8th problem same as that 5th problem. 8th one, 6th one both are same. So you do the homework. Okay. 8th one problem same, 5th one lagana ade model lo cheseyandi. Now write down 9th problem. Now write down. Then the area of a square field. So first given one square field given the beta. Okay. This area of a square field how much? That is 5184 area. Okay, total. Next, find the area of a rectangular field. Here one more rectangular field is there beta. Okay, then pakkake inkoka rectangular field is now. Okay, rectangular field. We have to find the area of this rectangular field. Area find out chalana. Okay, here one hint given beta. Whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square. See beta, these two square and rectangle perimeters are equal. That means this perimeter of a square is 4 into side. This perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B. That means 4 into S is equal 2 into L plus B at beta. Okay. Square యొక్క perimeter, rectangle యొక్క perimeter equal. Okay. Now next, see the equal of the square. Okay, see beta. Whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square field, whose length is twice its breadth. See beta. Whose length? That means length of a rectangle is twice to breadth. That means breadth x and put length entera 2x. Okay. Here one hint is given. Breadth is x. Then length is equal to how much beta? That is 2x. Okay. This is the given information. So we have to find the area of this rectangular field now. Okay. Now write down. Okay. Now given area of a square How much beta? That is 5184 meter or centimeter, sir? Yes, meter square. Next, now area of a square nothing but what? No? What is the formula for area of a square? Side into side up. Okay, S into S is equal 5184. Then S square is equal 5184. Then side is equal under root of 5184. Sorry. Okay, then side is equal to how much you get beta here? Say do the LCM here. 5184. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 1 as a remainder 11. 2 5s are 10. 1 as 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are. Okay, next. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 6 are. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are. 3 2s are 6. Okay. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. So S is equal to how much beta this is? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. Okay, 6 times. Into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. This total writing is square nana. Square root. Okay. Now S is equal. One pair, one we get outside. Here one more 2. Here one more 2. Here single 3. Here single 3. How much you get? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36. 36 3s are. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, 24 to the 72 now here. Okay? 72 is our answer. That is side is 72. Yes. S is equal to how much beta? That is 72 meters. Now, up to here, okay beta? Just we are finding the side of a square. Only first one is completed. Remaining second one not completed, na? Now write with me only. Now perimeter of a square. How much beta? 4 into side up. Okay, 4 into 72. How much beta? That is 288 meters. Okay. 4 into side that you get how much? That is 72. Already we have to find here. That is 4 into 72. That is 288. Now next. Now total square simplification completed. Now rectangle. Now let breadth, let the length of a rectangle. How much beta? Sorry. First we take breadth. Breadth of a rectangle, let it be x. Okay. Now length of a rectangle. How much beta? 2 into x. Okay. Twice beta. That is 2x. Next. Now perimeter of a rectangle formula, that is 2 into L plus B beta. Okay, 2. Length how much? Here 2x plus breadth is x, that is 2 into 3x, that is 6x. Okay, see beta here. Perimeter of a square is 288. Perimeter of a rectangle 66. But both perimeters are equal. Okay. So I am writing 6x is equal 288. E perimeter equal now. Okay, already we teacher perimeters equal. So e perimeter 6x is equal 288 right. Next step. Now write down. But given perimeter of a rectangle is equal perimeter of a square. Total have right now. Okay. Perimeter of a rectangle how much beta? That is 6x. Perimeter of a square how much we get here? 288. Now x is equal to how much beta? 288 by 6. See beta. 6 1 ja 6. 6 4 ja 24. 6 8 ja 48. So x is equal to how much? 48 centimeters. That means breadth is equal 48 centimeters. So x is equal that breadth is equal 48. Now length is equal how much? 2x. That is 2 into 48. That is how much? 96. What you have to find here? Area of a square. Find the area of a rectangle one. Now we get here breadth is 48, length is 96. It is 48. This is 96. Now we have to find the area of a rectangle. Very lengthy problem, Nana. Important problem. Okay. Now area of a rectangle. Formula length into breadth. Length how much? 96. Breadth 48. The answer is you have to do Nana. Complete that. Okay. Length is 96. Breadth is 48. You multiply, you get the answer. Okay. Now in this exercise 6.2 is completed. In this session this much left Nana. Thank you so much.